In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include PayPal fees in an invoice. If you're a freelancer, small business owner, or anyone who uses PayPal to receive payments, it's crucial to know how to incorporate these fees into your invoices to ensure you're getting paid what you deserve. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to PayPal's main site. Once you're there, log into your account and you'll find yourself on the summary page. This is your command center where you can see your recent activity and balance. Make sure your account details are up to date and everything looks good before moving on. Next, look at the menu and click on Send and Request. This section is where all your payment-related activities take place. It's designed to make sending invoices or money a straightforward process. With just a few clicks, you can get through tasks that used to require form filling and mailing. Once you're in the Send and Request area, you're going to want to look for the option to send an invoice. You'll see a button labeled Send an Invoice. Click it, and you'll be taken to a new page with all sorts of customizable options. Make sure to click through these slowly so you understand what each one does. Now click on Customer. This is where you'll enter the details of the person or company you're invoicing. Make sure to fill in their email address and any other necessary information. If it's a repeat customer, PayPal often remembers their details, which can save you a bit of time and ensure accuracy. After entering your customer's information, navigate over to the Items section. Here, you'll list the products or services you're billing for. Enter each item along with descriptions, quantities, and prices. This section is very important for not only transparency, but also for your own record keeping. Then, click on Notes and Attachments. This is a great place to add any additional details or attach files that might be relevant to the invoice. It helps to clarify any specific instructions or messages you might have for the recipient, and it covers you by ensuring all agreements are documented. Move down to the Shipping Add section if you're dealing with physical goods. Enter the shipping costs or address details if they haven't yet been included. This feature ensures that nothing is left off and helps the receiver understand all aspects of the charges. Finally, as you prepare to complete the invoice, take a moment to review everything. Make sure there's a line that mentions PayPal fees, or adjust your total to accommodate those fees internally if that's your preference. Having everything clear from the get-go will save you trouble down the line and ensure smooth financial transactions. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you can effectively incorporate PayPal fees into your invoices. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.